Oh, isn't it nice to have someone in your life who listens to all your problems, makes you laugh, lifts your spirits when you're down, and helps you to relax when you come home? It sounds like all the ingredients of a best friend. Wouldn't you agree, Leonora?
Absolutely. I know what you're talking about, Jamie. It's all about pets and the unconditional love they provide. Just like the relationship I have here with Bubbles.
I know, and look at that face. You look gorgeous. Yes, you are. Oh, she's divine. How can we ever return that love and affection our pets give us?
Look, dogs and cats do so much for us without expecting anything in return. So I think it's important that we're always there for them. Apart from food and grooming, there are quite a few costs involved, including large vet bills when they're sick or injured.
Yeah, right. And depending on what treatment is required, this care doesn't come cheap, does it?
Luckily, pet owners these days have options like RSPCA pet insurance, which can help with the cost of vet bills.
Okay, Leonora, so why RSPCA pet insurance?